Hi there, everybody. Are you ready for another little bite? I think today we're going to do a little song. It's called Albuquerque Turkey. Look at there's a turkey. Isn't he cute? There you go, gobble, 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 gobble. Are you ready to sing about Albuquerque the turkey? Okay, here we go. Albuquerque is a turkey, and he's feathered and he's fine. He wobbles and he gobbles, and he's absolutely mine. He's the best pet that you can get, better than a dog or cat. He's my Albuquerque turkey, and I'm awfully proud of that. He once told me very frankly he preferred to be my pet, not the main course at my dinner, and I told him not to fret. Now my Albuquerque turkey is so happy in his bed, 'cause for our Thanksgiving dinner we had pizza pie instead. Yeah, look at that. It's pizza! Yay! Instead of turkey. Or maybe it's a turkey pizza. Yeah. Okay, that was an awesome little bite. I'm so glad that you guys join me for these every week. We won't have one next week because we're getting ready for Thanksgiving. That's right. But I'll see you the week after that with another little bite. Bye bye, everybody. Bye bye.